I am doing outdoor patio furniture, specifically loungers. Backstory to this, it's my parents' loungers. When my mom purchased these, she actually found fabric that she preferred over the one she bought. So she ended up buying this fabric, and she always had it in her head that she was going to recover them with this fabric. Fabric's been sitting there for a while. I thought, why don't I try this? Well, actually, I didn't think about it. My mother thought it would be great for me to try this. When she initially asked me to do her cushions, I thought she meant throw cushions. I didn't think she meant loungers. 4 of them. So I was like, oh great, I get to do a bunch of these little guys. No. So I agreed. I've never reupholstered anything. The original plan was to do it here, but once I started taking apart those cushions, I realized that the zippers are in perfect condition and I can just reuse them. But the 6 other zippers are 2 hours away. Why don't I just go do it there? This is going to be a big project. I just think it's going to be time consuming because there are a lot of little pieces to each of these pillows, and it's a big roll of fabric. I'll show you the fabric roll. I'll show you the deconstructed pillows, and I'm gonna get cutting. Yay! I was working on that pillow. Are you upset because you know once I recover it, you won't be able to sit on it? That did not take 2 days. I am done the cushions. So it took me about 3.5 days, which, you know, isn't too far off of what I thought. I probably could have got it done a lot faster. Throw in 2 dogs, 2 parents, assemble a cushion, distraction of their backyard, and nice weather. It wasn't necessarily difficult. It was just time consuming, like I originally thought. I'm pretty happy with the way they turned out. The material was really hard to work with. I realize now I should have used my pinking shears. I ended up going over the seams afterwards, and I also overlocked all the stitching, so hopefully that holds up. All in all, I think they turned out really well. My parents definitely like them. I know we're going to use them a lot. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, advice, or suggestions, please leave those in the comments. I would be happy to read those. I think I'm going to go back to some clothes. It was nice venturing off and doing some cushions and something different, but I think I'm actually going to make a dress out of a pattern for once. So I'm going to get researching how to read a pattern because that is something I have never done. So watch out for that video next week. I've never worked with something this huge before.